Hi, this is Jim with Lido Radio Products, and today we're going to mount this Midland SPK 100 into this Jeep without drilling any holes. And the issue, as you know, if you have a GMRS radio, is audio. It's hard to hear the GMRS radio if it's installed somewhere in the vehicle. So what you probably run into is you're going to get an external speaker. The most popular one on the market today is the Midland SPK 100. And we're going to install it today without drilling any holes using this headrest mount. Okay, so the first step is to attach the Midland SPK 100 to the Lido mount. To do that, you'll see there's a bracket on the SPK 100 that has slots. The Lido mount has holes in the metal bracket, and two of those holes will line up with the slots. So what we're going to do is we're just going to line up two of those holes, and then we're going to run screws through two of those holes and attach the Midland to the Lido mount. Okay, so we've attached the SPK 100 to the Lido mount using the two screws. The holes line up, and now we're going to install it into the Jeep. Okay, so the easiest way to install the headrest mount from a Jeep Wrangler is actually to remove the headrest. Just a couple releases and it comes right out. You can install it with the headrest in, it's just a little more difficult. But on the headrest mount, you'll see there's little latches, and we can adjust the width of these latches. So it'll fit just about any vehicle with a headrest out there. So you just take the headrest and you put the poles through the latch and then tighten the knobs to get it snug. And then what I do is I push it down a little bit so I have room to push it back into the vehicle. So we tighten those down. And now we're ready to put it back in the vehicle. Okay, so let's install the headrest back into this Jeep Wrangler. Just line up the posts with the holes, line it up, push the lever on the side here, and push down, and it's locked into place. Okay, so now we've installed this Midland SPK 100 speaker into this Jeep Wrangler using the Lido headrest mount. And the cool thing about the Lido headrest mount is we've incorporated RAM components. And that's important because the Midland SPK 100 speaker is waterproof, it's IP67 rated, it's a great speaker, but it's really heavy. It's 2 pounds. And so you'll need a good supporting structure to hold it up so it doesn't droop on you when you're going four-wheeling. So we've incorporated the RAM 1-inch ball design system. And we can adjust the angle of the speaker by turning the knob here on the top. And we can adjust it, as you can see, in just about any angle that we want. So once we get to the perfect spot, just turn the knob, and that will lock it into place and it's not drooping. And we can also adjust the length of the arm. So if we want it farther away from us, just release the lever on the back and we can push it farther out and we can lock it into place. If we want it further in, just push it in and we can lock it into place.
Yes.
Okay, so we've installed the speaker, but I want to take a minute to show you the headrest mount itself from the back. And this is the lever I was talking about. If we flip this lever, we can bring the arm in, or we can bring it out, flip the lever back, and it locks it into place.